Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, for a change, we are going to do a dot mandala greeting card. Let's get straight into it. This is a white sketchbook paper measuring 6 inches by 6 inches in size. And this is a mount board material which I normally use to make bookmarks. And mount board is a material which is used for photo framing too. One side this is black, the other side it's white. And now I prefer to dot in the black side. The size of this mount board also is 6 inches by 6 inches. Here it's brown color sketchbook paper. This side it is 13 inches and this is 7 inches. So 13 inches by 7. I have folded into half so that it looks like a card. So as a first step, what I'm going to do is to paint a simple dot mandala in this mount board. Let me figure out the center for this. I'll draw some circles at random. Let me mark angles. Marking angles at every 45 degrees. I'll connect the dots now. I'll keep an orange dot in the center. I'll keep some chrome yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep some orange dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in orange. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep smaller orange dots. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep some side swipes in yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow now. I'll keep lumpy dots in orange. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some side swipes in orange. The dot mandala is ready now. Let's keep this aside. I'm going to stick this white sketchbook paper inside so that some message can be clearly written. Let me put some Fevicol now. Now I'm going to stick this paper here. Front portion of the card, we need to have the dot mandala stuck. Let's do it. I just completed the dot mandala. It is not dry yet. It's going to take a long time. However, I'm going to fix it I'll stick the dot mandala. Wherever there is space, I'm just using the dotting tool to give a gentle press. I have to let this dry at least for 8 hours so that I can safely move this here and there and then write some message inside the card. See, dot mandala greeting card is ready. How did you like this? Do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.